Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techno Saga and I'm Sagar Sharma. Welcome to you my channel and thank you for your support first of all. And today I'm going to tell you about the Poco phone, everything, details, features, quality of that phone. So don't forget to watch till end. So before getting started, my one small request: please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. What will happen when you hit the bell icon? You'll notify whenever I upload my new video. So let's get started. So today I'm going to talking about Poco phone. Really, Chinese company doing a lot in nowadays in the technology phone, like everything you can find Lenovo, Moto, Vivo, Oppo, and what call this now Poco, Xiaomi, my everything. This all Chinese company, they are really leading in a now phones, right? So definitely 2 days before Xiaomi releases new phone which called Poco F1 series, right? There are two variants of Poco, and so I'll tell you everything about this phone, but I will start from the demerits of the body structure of this phone. The body structure of this phone is truly awesome design, but the demerits is the back side is made up of plastic, which is really not good for a smartphone, right? So second of all, I'll show you it having a two variant, like here giving Poco F1 specification, 6.1 inch full HD display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor is very good, 8 GB RAM with 256 GB internal. In other variant, 6 GB RAM plus 120 GB internal. And camera quality really awesome, 12 MP plus 5 MP rear camera and 20 MP front camera. Where battery life is 4000 mAh in this variant. In another variant, you will get I think 3500 to 3000. The processor is latest Android 8. Oreo 8.1. Okay, so Poco F1 price in India right now is 30,000. We can say 30,000 directly, and you can get. But if you buy in Flipkart or something what called in Amazon, you will get some offers. So this is the thing of what called Poco. Now come to this is the snaps taken by the Poco F1 camera. Really, it's very clear photo. Its clarity is awesome because you'll get 20 MP front camera and well dual camera in backside, which will focus on background and focus on the object what you're taking. So definitely you'll get a clear picture. So third, see Poco F1 review battery. F1 comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which is basically good one, and for smartphone it is quite good, right? Poco F1 review for many users the biggest talking point about the phone will be price, but according to price, the in my point of view battery is 4000 is very less, right? Because nowadays everything become online, we can do everything in online and lots of process going on background, so due to its battery consumption definitely increase. So 4000 is not quite good. 4500 or 5000 mAh means definitely a super phone. Okay, in my point of view I'm talking about. So F1 review battery this is, but the really the demerits of this phone is promisely the backside body, which is made up of really plastic, which I really don't like. But according to the company what they did, because we already know Redmi phone getting heated a lot due to metal body, I think so that's why they changed into plastic. So maybe the reason, but even though I really hate the plastic. See, this is the unboxing of Poco phone, really good full HD display, you will enjoy a lot of features, right? Then here the plastic and cavalier construction, huge display, infrared face unlock. What is the very good feature in this phone? You will get a low cost face unlock phone. Really, if you suppose you are a middle class family or family you can't afford like a Apple, even they will get infrared face unlock, which having a really awesome feature. That is a very good like a Apple. An FM radio and head jack phone, the same 3.5 jack is there, and display 6.2 inches with a 1080 into 2246 pixel resolution, which is really good maximum brightness, right? Then come to the stereo speaker. Really, then it means sound good. Already Chinese company doing a great in the speaker phone, right? And the high and cheapest, right? The big highlight of the phone, that is the Snapdragon 8. That is a good thing. The Snapdragon 848 processor is the latest processor here nowadays, and 8 gigs of RAM. It really do a lots of process, and it will really helpful for those who using the game, right, in phone, like a PUBG game and other high memory game. So this is very good for. And then dual camera setup, definitely whatever some one is better than, or two is better than one, right? So dual camera setup is there. When you're taking photo, one will focus on your background and one will focus on you, then definitely the picture is truly awesome. This is the features of our phone. Then here that's all. And in my point of view, all are Chinese phone, right? And they are doing pretty good in the technology nowadays. Every day, like fingerprint, face unlock, and lots of things are coming nowadays. So obviously it's good, but even though in price session that is not too much good in my point of view. So because 30,000 we are giving for Poco F1, so it's quite enough. And before that we have to think other Honor mobile also is there, like Honor Lite, and so other in Vivo, Oppo we are getting. But even though in my thing the durability is not so good in this phone, right? It giving the water resistance also, but even the plastic body sound not good, right? So this is my opinion in my point of view. If you, I don't know what about your point of view in this phone, but even though I'll tell you one time try, because according to our users we can give a opinion on this phone. But even though in my point of view I'm using Lenovo, so in my point of view Poco is not so good according to the price, Indian price, right? If the price is come with 21,000 to 20,000, then definitely this is the best phone ever, but the price is quite high due to memory and the RAM. So this is my video about the Poco phone. What your review, what your comment, please, and don't forget to give a comment. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Techno Saga.